It is such a nice day outside. Got the Jeep, got the Miata, got the Challenger. Got the Veloster in, just chilling. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. If you're new here, my name is Jeffrey. Do videos, Dodge Challenger RT, lifted Jeep Grand Cherokee, Hyundai Veloster, and the Miata. But today we're doing something really cool. We're going to be installing some tow hooks finally on the Miata. The whole point of the Miata is going to be the track autocross car. So we're going to need to get some tow hooks. So I got some, like, I got these off of eBay. They're not the most expensive ones ever in the world. They're pretty cheap. But I figured, you know what? They looked okay. So we'll see how they are. If they suck, then they suck. I think I only spent like less than 30 bucks on these. So if they suck, they suck. But yeah, we're going to open this thing up and see how they look. But really quickly, I want to show you where. Oh. Garrus. And we got Legion. Shout out to the Mass Effect names. All right, let's unbox this. All right, let's try and do this one-handed. Can't do it one-handed. You know, I will say this packaging is actually really nice. Forgot the company. I'm gonna leave where I bought this from. I'll leave the link down below if you're interested, so you can check it out. But oh, there you go. Not bad. As soon as it's the front, we're gonna have to look. I'm gonna have to look inside the packaging and see how you install these things. But I'm excited. The theme I'm going with the Miata is purple. Since I just did the valve cover, I painted that purple. The shifter knob now is purple inside there. So I'm doing a lot of purple accents for a lot of the stuff. When I do get the roll cage installed, I want to. I don't know if I'm gonna get the whole thing powder coated purple, but I'm gonna do some purple accents on the roll cage. That's gonna be like the big upgrade I'm going to be doing, is doing the roll cage inside the Miata, because that's what I definitely want to do, just for safety reasons and because I'm going to be obviously tracking the car. So you're going to need a roll cage and a real one. So that's what I'm going to be doing. But I'm trying to make sure doing everything tastefully. So this is a slightly different purple than the valve cover, but it's really close to the actual shifter knob. So I think it's okay. I did use Mopar purple for the shifter knob, but I mean for the valve cover, but it should work. All right, so let's get everything opened up and we're gonna start installing everything. I'm gonna show you guys in the daylight what this looks like. So actually doesn't seem like it's that bad for this being so cheap. I mean, I know these things aren't that expensive, but it's not bad. This is the tow hook, the factory mounting bracket right here. So, looks like this is pretty simple. Put that one loose. My God, it's so hot outside. But okay, this thing came with 4 washers. You should technically put the washers on there as well, but this is so like tight, it wasn't threading when I put the other washer on. So I want it to sit kind of like this up more, like that. So I'm gonna adjust this and tighten everything up. So it's pretty simple. Just put the bolts through, put the plate, and have it on the other side. I'm gonna mount it up slightly taller. So that is the negative thing I am seeing with this kit. Those bolts seem to be not as long as what they should be. Should be like, if they were like a little bit longer, it would be easier to put the other washer on the other side. But yeah, so I mean, you get what you pay for. So this is a cheaper kit, so they're a little bit short. That's fine. So I'm just gonna tighten everything up. This should be real quick and easy. But as you can see, this is what it looks like. It looks nice. It's a nice, you know, color, whatever. I mean, I don't know. Maybe I should. Debating. I am debating now. I do have still the leftover engine paint. I could in theory, you know, sand them down and repaint them the same color, so it'd be a darker purple. I could do that. I may not. I don't know. This is like a nice. It's like a really. It is a little bit lighter than what I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be a little bit of a deeper purple, but we'll see how it looks for now. I'll put it on. We'll see how I like it. If I want to do it, I'll do it later, but I'll put everything on at least today, at least for right now. All right, guys. So, the more and more I'm looking at, the more and more I'm like, it's not quite as dark as what I want it to be. I think if I'm going to paint them, I should just do it now. If I do it, it'll match. It'll be a darker purple, which is kind of what I wanted it to be. So I think I might just bite the bullet, just do it now, because if I don't do it now, I'm gonna have to take everything off eventually and do it again. This is kind of like a pink, even though it's not bad, but it's not quite the color that I thought it was going to be, and it might clash because the car's already gray. Want it to be, I mean, it does pop. It's just not as, I don't know. And now I'm debating because of the way that I don't want it to be too, I want it to pop. I don't know, I don't want it to be too dark so you can't see it. We'll see. Alright guys, so I made the executive decision. I'm going to just paint them now that it's off. I will paint them, let them dry, and install it tomorrow. I think that's the better move, just because I want it to look like really good. So might as well just do it. The only thing is though, this material, it's like really hard to try to scratch up. I'm trying to, but it might not work. But we will see. I'm gonna paint them, and I think it'll look good. So this is what I'm gonna be doing. These things are pretty hard to try to sand. I did sand, as you can see. It's just taking so long. It's like not even. It's not just like roughing it up. So hopefully it didn't just destroy this piece. So I have them just pinned up here. I'm going to use the Mopar engine paint just so it'll match. It's the same, it's like a darker purple. So I'll use that. I'll just spray paint them. I'll do, on the engine bay I did like 3 coats. I'll probably do 3 coats for this. It doesn't really, it is what it is. We'll do that real quick, and then yeah, we'll put it on the car. I'll let it dry, I think. I'll probably let it dry overnight, and we'll put it on in the morning. So let's just paint these things real quick. Might as well do it now.
You know what's funny is I look a little bit like, are you fans of G.I. Joe at all? Was that a thing for you guys growing up? No. I was a little fan of that cartoon. So there was this, I believe they were called twins camera shot versus that camera shot. This one's on different color profile, so it's crushing all. There's a thing going on, and people posting pictures as babies. Actually, hold on, Kev. I'm gonna send assets the Twitter thread.
We got 3 coats on. Gonna let it just dry for probably overnight. I'll just let it dry. Feels like it's okay, so I'm happy that I just did this. I think it'll look a lot better. And we're back. Alright guys, so this is day 2. Painted the pieces. Let's see how they look. Not bad. Not bad at all. Looks a lot better. This is dried overnight, so this is definitely dried. You can still tell there's some pink like in this ring, but it's like a nice, like, just in sunlight you can tell. I think that looks fine. Like wind chimes. Alright, so now we're going to install them on the car. Let's see how they look. I'm going to do this real quick. Hopefully it doesn't take me too long to do it. Okay, so I guess I'm doing things the old-fashioned way. I'm gonna have to get a new jack. That one's just broken completely. It's like not even working. But I was able to get the car up. There's enough clearance going up on a board real quick. So I have to get access to the front tow hook. That one, the screws are back there. I was going to take the wheel off and it made things easier, but so I guess I'm just going to have to turn the wheel and see if I can get my hand in there far enough. I could probably do it, so it's going to suck, but alright, if I can't use that, I'm going to have to just do it old-fashioned way. Alright, let's just do it. This is becoming a lot, just do some tow hooks, but it is what it is. Alright. Okay guys, so on my channel I always tell you if there's something like that's too hard or something like that, or if I can't do it, I'll let you guys know. So here's the problem I'm having with this right now. I don't know if you guys can even see, but in there, that's where the brackets for the old tow hook has to come off. I can get a wrench down there. I can't break the bolts. I can't get the impact wrench down there, it's too big. And you need to take that off to put this one on. This one will slide in and it will go into the holes right there. Without getting the wheel off, I don't have enough room to get access to even like get the thing off. So I'm gonna have to wait. It sucks because I wanted to do this right now, but I mean, I got one. The one in the back was easy to do. The one in the front's a little bit harder because you have to like really get at it, and that one's it's just not coming off. Like no matter what I do. So unless I had like a big breaker bar, I don't have enough leverage, and even putting this on there, there's just not enough leverage to like get enough force to break them loose. I even sprayed them with some WD-40 and let them sit for like a while, and it's still like nothing at all. These things are just coated on there. So that's what, you know, kind of what happens when you have cars up in the north. Just bolts and stuff gets rusty. As I'm looking at the Jeep, get this front thing for the Miata. I really want to get the front one on as well, but at least the back one's on, and it matches the engine bay. Alright guys, so looks like I'm gonna end the video here because I got the dogs coming over to me. But I'm gonna end the video here. So we got the first one, we got the rear one installed. The front one I didn't do yet. I will do that one when I can get the tire off, just because I couldn't break the bolt. Hang on a second. Yes, Garris, what's up, boy? Yeah. Weege. Got that one on. I think it looks good. I'm happy I did paint it because before it was like a little bit too pink, and it didn't really match the aesthetics I wanted to do for the whole car. Hopefully that paint like stays on the actual piece. I tried sanding them down like I showed you guys, but that material, it's really hard to even try to like scuff it up. So we'll see. Hopefully it doesn't chip. It might chip. If it does, it is what it is. I might do a different setup in the future. I might do a tow strap in the front versus doing that like hook thing. But anyways, hopefully this video was informative to you guys, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it. So if you like this video, give it a like. Follow me on Instagram, OmegaGreed, same name as YouTube channel. Go to the website, geekswithcars.com. You can shop the merch. And like that, guys, we're out of here. We'll see you in the next video. See ya.